through the long day. Your warm hands hold my heart always tightly. In simplicity we find happiness together. Your name is written in prayers every night. We share laughter and tears together. It's not always easy to live this life together, but love keeps us going, strengthening each other in every step of life. With you until death do us part, a promise of loyalty engraved in my heart forever. Share laughter and tears together. It's not always easy to live this life together, but love keeps us going, strengthening each other in every step of life. With you until death do us part, a promise of loyalty engraved in my heart forever. I will never leave you alone. You are the home I always return to. If the world changes, we remain together. In storms, we guard each other's hearts. This love is not just words, but a promise of life that we keep. With you until death do us part, a promise of loyalty engraved in my heart forever. Until the end of time, I will remain here, guarding the love we built together. In life and in death, we remain one, until death do us part. Our love